Hello everyone. Today we're going to make goop. For this we just need two ingredients, cornstarch and water, and food coloring if you'd like, but you don't have to use that. You'll need a measuring cup. This is a 1 cup measure for the cornstarch. And then I have this measuring cup so that I can measure out the water. You'll also need a bin. I chose this bin with a lid so that when I'm done, I can cover it up. But I don't need the top right now. So I'm going to start by opening up the cornstarch. You need 16 ounces of cornstarch. So that will be 2 cups. Going to pour it in. It's 1 cup. And 2 cups. Now we do need a cup of water, but we're not going to pour the whole thing in all at once. We'll pour most of it in, maybe like 3/4 cups. So I'm just going to measure that out. And then I'm going to pour it in. And then for this, you don't need a spoon or anything to mix it with. You use your hands. And it's kind of messy. But you just keep moving it all around, mixing it up. So the cornstarch is mixed with the water. Okay. And I'm going to add a little more water. And you'll decide what you need. Depends on how wet you want it to be. So I'm going to add some more and see if I like the way it comes out. Feels very sticky. You gotta really mix it up. Some of mine here on the side, if you can see it, it's still dry. So I'm gonna keep mixing it around. And it's so funny because if you look at it, it looks like it's really wet. And then when you put it in your hands, it looks really dry. And then when you put it down again, it's wet again. Oh, and that might happen. You might splash a little. I think I'm going to pour just a little more water in mine. You will have to play with it a little bit to kind of decide what feels good for you in terms of how much water and how dry yours is. Still have some in here that feels like a little, still feels like powder. So I'm going to keep moving it around. And then if you have food coloring and you want to add it, you should. Let's see, what color should I make? I have yellow, green, red, and blue. Maybe I'll use red. Okay, I'm going to pour some in here. Can you see it? Now I'm going to mix it in. It feels so stiff, but it looks so wet. You could do it on the table if you like, but because it's so messy, I thought the best choice was to put it in a dish or something. Okay, I'm trying to mix it up so that there's not any white still left in here. And I'm going to show you what I mean when I say it looks so wet. I'm going to separate some, and then I want you to see how it comes together again all by itself. Okay, so see, I moved it all to one side. Whoops, a little spilled out. And now it's just falling back over all by itself. And you might want to just make sure that you have like a wet cloth or something in case you have a spill. I have a little spill on the table, but that's okay. I'm going to scoop it up and put it back in. How does it feel? Is it sticky? I'm going to pick some up in my hand and show you what mine looks like and what it does. So it's in my hand, and now it's going to start to drip. Look at that. I'm going to do it again. Okay, I'm going to pick it up. It's dry. And now it's going to slip right out of my fingers. And there you have it. Today we made goop. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.